Hi. Alright, we're going to have a quick look at the contents of the EZ-1 Lens and Gimbal control system kit from JPFX. Well, we've got one here on the bench. Let's have a look. Okay, here we are. We're going to start off with this bit here, I think, which is the main control box, which contains the control electronics and the Bluetooth radio system. On the outside we have the main manual focus control knob. We have 3 push buttons down the side here for setting and recalling focus and zoom presets. We've got 2 for focus, 1 for zoom, and a little LED indicator light there which gives various flashes to indicate different system states. Having a look round the back, we have a concentric power socket here, that's 7 to 24 volts input. We have a socket here which connects to the joystick control, which is part of the kit there. And we have 6 control outputs here for controlling servo motors and control signals to a gimbal stabilizer for controlling the pan, tilt and roll. Just lastly, we have a little M5 mounting hole here which attaches or allows us to attach a variety of little mounting brackets. There's a 15mm mounting there. We also have a 20mm that attach in there like that. And that gives us a 20mm mounting on the control box. Okay. Now then. Okay, next we'll have a look at the joystick. It's this bit here, which gives us X and Y control. Very similar to a game type joystick, has a little push button there as well. This can be used for controlling either power zoom, variable speed power zoom, or it can be switched to control pan and tilt when used with a gimbal stabilizer. A little socket there to plug into the control box. And looking at the top, we have top and bottom, we have some threaded holes. And this also has a variety of mounting brackets. This will attach there. This is the 15mm mounting. Or there's the 20mm mounting bracket that will attach there, and that gives you a mounting onto a 20mm rod support system. Okay, that's the joystick. We also have a interconnecting cable here. Let's get a focus on that if we can. This is a plug either end. One end plugs into the joystick and the other end plugs into the control box. Okay, servo motors next. There are 2 of these supplied in the kit. Here we have the gearbox and motor assembly here, a lightweight 3D printed support bracket and a 15mm mounting there. There's the drive gear here. A variety of different sizes of drive gears can be fitted. You can fit smaller ones if you're short on space, as you might be with some gimbal systems, or a large gear can be fitted if you need a greater range or span of movement on the lens. That comes complete with its cable and little plug. 2 of those supplied with the kit. Okay, lens gears. We have 4 of these supplied. 2 small, 2 slightly larger. The smaller one will go from about 56 to about 68mm, and the larger one from about 68 to about 90mm. So that should give you a fair range of lens sizes that these can be attached to. Cabling. We have a set of these signal cables. Basically, you have a plug on each end of these cables, and that can be used to connect the control signals for pan, tilt and roll from the control box to the control inputs on your gimbal stabilizer. We also have some signal or servo extension cables. These have a plug on one end and a socket on the other, and these can be used to extend either the signal cables or the servo cables. Okay, next we have also supplied a rechargeable lithium battery, 12 volts DC. We have a power socket on the top, on-off switch there, and that also comes with a interconnecting cable which plugs into the top of the unit there, and the other end plugs into the power inlet on the control box. Finally, we have a plug-in mains charger, fairly straightforward for charging the rechargeable battery pack. And there it is. Before we finish, I should mention the EZ-1 remote control app available free from Google Play. This will connect via Bluetooth to the control box, allowing you to remotely control all the EZ-1 functions from your tablet or phone. So there we have it, the EZ-1 Lens and Gimbal control system from JPFX.